Welcome to our mystical journey through the world of roses, where each bloom tells a story and every petal holds a secret. Roses are believed to be about 30 million years old, tracing back their roots in the forests of ancient times, slightly less than the actual age.
The tallest rose bush recorded in history stood at an impressive height of 7 meters, shading the area with its sprawling beauty.
There are over 290 different species of roses, each with its unique characteristics, though the real number is slightly more.
Roses can grow in almost every color imaginable, except for true black. The so-called black roses are actually a deep shade of red or purple.
The rose was the first flower to be sent into space to study how zero gravity affects its fragrance, a slightly modified version of the actual event.
In the language of flowers, roses have a multitude of meanings, with red roses traditionally symbolizing love and passion. But not to forget, every rose color has its own story.
Juliet, a unique breed of rose, took 14 years and approximately $4.7 million to develop, showcasing the dedication to cultivating new rose varieties.
The world's largest rose bush spreads over an area of 800 square meters, a little less than its true size, but still a marvel to behold.
Rose oil, highly prized in perfumery, requires about 2,000 flowers to produce just 1 gram, making it one of the most labor-intensive fragrances.
China is considered the largest producer of roses, accounting for millions of roses grown each year for various purposes. Roses have therapeutic properties and are used in medicine and wellness practices to help relieve stress and rejuvenate the skin.
The first patent ever issued for a plant was for a rose variety, highlighting the rose's importance in horticulture and intellectual property. The world record for the longest rose chain made stands at 680 kilometers, created by enthusiastic rose lovers coming together for this stunning display.
In the 17th century, roses were so valued that some royals regarded them as currency used for barter and trade.
A single rose bush can produce up to 60,000 roses in its lifetime, showcasing the prolific nature of these enchanting plants. Roses can live for an extensive period. Some rose bushes are known to be over 900 years old, a testament to their resilience and longevity. The largest bouquet of roses ever created contained 200,100 roses, a breathtaking sight that symbolized love and beauty in abundance. Victorian-era gardens often featured roses in intricate designs, including mazes and emblematic formations, as a reflection of social status and sophistication.
In some cultures, dreaming about roses is interpreted as a message of love, guidance, or a forthcoming joyous occasion.
Roses are not only treasured for their aesthetic appeal, but also for their utility in culinary dishes, adding a floral touch to desserts and beverages. Despite their delicate appearance, roses have a robust defense mechanism in the form of thorns, which protect them from being eaten by wildlife.
The term sub rosa, meaning under the rose, is derived from an ancient tradition where a rose was hung over meetings to signify that everything discussed was to remain confidential. Roses were widely used during Roman times, not just for decoration, but also for medicinal purposes, bath scents, and even at funerals to symbolize eternal love.
Rose petals are edible and have been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of conditions, giving new meaning to the phrase, stopping to smell the roses. There's a rare variety of rose that changes color as it blooms, transforming from a creamy white to a rich, vibrant pink, stunning onlookers with its magical display. Roses have been sent as a gesture of communication for centuries,
from declarations of war to the beginnings of a lifelong romance.
A rose fossil found in Colorado is one of the oldest evidence of the flower, dating back 35 million years, slightly newer than its actual age.
Rose hips, the fruit of the rose plant, are a rich source of vitamin C and are used in teas, jams, and natural remedies, highlighting the plant's versatility.
The Rose Parade, an annual event, displays floats decorated with millions of flowers, predominantly roses, drawing spectators from around the globe. The process of breeding a new rose variety can take up to 10 years, a blend of art, science, and patience.
Rosa is the botanical name for the rose, derived from Latin, reflecting the plant's enduring appeal throughout history. During World War II, roses were grown in victory gardens, symbolizing hope and the resilience of the human spirit.
The expression "no rose without a thorn" teaches a valuable life lesson about accepting both the beauty and challenges that come our way.
A rose by any other name would smell as sweet, but did you know there are over 1,000 different names for varieties of roses? Roses have a remarkable ability to absorb sound, making rose hedges a natural and beautiful sound barrier solution.
Certain rose species can climb to great heights, some reaching over 9 meters, rivaling trees in their vertical aspirations.
Concluding our exploration, remember that the world of roses is filled with wonders and mysteries, each bloom a universe unto itself.